Hey Carrington, thank you so much for getting your screencast done. You did such a great job and a really good use of your time for this project because it's obviously ties in perfectly with your unit on the Virginia General Assembly. And I really appreciated how you chose to walk students through how to navigate the Virginia State Legislature, and then you walked them through the visual interactive image that you created. So that was awesome. You got a 2-for-1 in there. Just wanted to say great job. Just looking at some of my notes here that I wrote down. You did a really nice job stating up front what this little video was going to be about. You stayed within the timeline, so that's great, and I'm sure your students will appreciate that too. Your voice was very clear, and actually just hearing your voice and your friendly tone sets the presence, because that's one of the elements that we were looking for was teacher presence in the video. And I'm sure that since your students know you, just being able to hear your voice, not necessarily having to see your face, is also equally as important. You're also very clear, and you walked through your video with a very calm demeanor. So that's always reassuring for students as well. Obviously, I'm looking at my notes again here with regards to what we were considering for quality, and the visuals that you used were directly tied to your lecture, so that's awesome. And you had really nice sound quality. Of course, I can't measure you on lighting because in this case it wasn't necessarily important. But otherwise, you hit on the 5 quality elements that we were looking for. And this certainly seems like a very useful and timely video that you'll be able to use for your students. So job well done. Thank you so much.